Did you know that you could create a task in Onshape that could replicate your engineering change process? In this case, I have the ability to name an engineering change request as a categorized item with specific fields that are customized to my company's process. I have included the engineering change request reason, proposed solution, and how to disposition parts affected. References can be added, and assignments can be set with due dates. In the Action Item Center, you can get a full picture of what is going on inside of your company's change management practice, even with the ability to search into the details. To enable this, go into your Onshape company settings and create a category that's a general task that meets your specific criteria. I've created a category for ECR, and now I've created custom properties that match that category for the ECR. Drop-down lists can be set for this purpose, as well as free text fields. Let's create one on the fly right here. We'll create the ECR disposition custom property, how it will be displayed on the form, what type of property it is, in this case, a list, and we can go ahead, set it to be active. That's one of the most important parts, of course, when you're doing this, so that it appears for everybody in the company. And now we can just go ahead and place the values here in the list. Use as is, recycle, and scrap. Or use until the supply is depleted. All right, once we have our fields set, we can tell them which ones are also available and active, and set a default value and when it can be used. Finally, we'll set the property or the proper category right here.